Hello, and welcome to ServiceMonster. We're excited to have you here. First off, I want to say congratulations. You've just made the best possible choice for your business and started the journey to simplifying your operations and keeping your business focused. ServiceMonster is a comprehensive, easy-to-use scheduling and invoicing software that will keep you organized every single step of the way. Before, during, and after the job. Before the job, you can make quotes for customers and send them right on through directly to the customer. And, by the way, you can do this all from the mobile app. You can go in, check your schedule, and then make your way over to the appointment. During the job, you and your techs can see the customer's job history and know exactly what you need to do with a checklist to always keep you on track. After the job, you can invoice your customer right away and collect payment right then and there. You can even get reports with all the information you need to really analyze and see what drives your business. But what about marketing, you ask? Well, we have features for that too. Sound good? Then you're in the right place, and we're ready to help you get started to get the job done.